Hello everybody, Bert Jones, Vice President of Service here. We're here at West University Place, long-standing customer of ours. We're very proud of them. You can see behind me we have one of the rigs that we build each and every day. But one thing you may not know is we're looking to do upfitting. We would love to talk to you if you've got a vehicle anything such as this Ford F-150 here. You can also see that they have a Suburban Chevy here that's been upfitted. And these are the kind of vehicles that we're looking to talk to you about. We hear that there's a lot of people needing upfitting. If it's a Tahoe, a F-150, or a complete fleet deal where you just want to add an option, we're here for you. But this is something I think we can help everybody out with a short turnaround time also. So please reach out to us. But you can see here on this Ford, we did some lights in the rear, just a simple light package. They also have this cover that goes on the bed of the truck. On this Suburban, just a graphic package with a lighting package on it, simple light bar. They have the front fender lights and the intersect lights on the grill guard with some speakers, and they have the small lights for the grill guard, the front lights. If it's a console, we can do a console. You can purchase a console from somebody like Plastic Plus. We have no problem installing that. So Frazer can customize any kind of setup that you would like for your console. You can see this console here has some simple features. It's got a radio, it has a wheeling siren, simple switch for the small light package they have. It has a USB port. It does have some cigarette chargers available, plug in. Has a Knox key lock box, and it has a simple radio charger right in the middle. It does have a neat feature that allows for access to some storage right here in the back. We can also offer our powder-coated console. It's made of aluminum, and we can customize all the features on that, however you want to lay it out, with cup holders, map holders, whatever devices you may need it in what order. You can see on this Suburban, they just have a simple graphic package with some lighting on the rear. If we open up the rear of this, you can see that they have some emergency lights going across the tail of the truck also. Here they have a organizational storage area. We would love to help you design this and work with you on this. You can get somebody else to build it for you, and we'll be glad to install it. But we can also help you design something in aluminum that may be a little bit more durable over time for you. But you can see here, they just have some simple drawers for storage up in here with some different setups for radio chargers, computer set, docking stations, anything that you may need. If you need lighting packages even inside to light it up, you can see here they have a simple LED light that'll help them light up the area if it's at night, but anything you may need in that area. As you can see also on the Suburban, they have some backup cameras set on here for safety features. No problem doing this. We work with all kinds of makers on that. But also on the side, what I see as a lot of features is people want a shore power plug where they can plug in and it goes to a battery charger to help maintain the system to where they're not draining the batteries. And we have no problem doing that. We'd love to do that for you. So if you have some kind of vision and it's not even on paper, please give us a call. We'll help you out with that vision and let's clearly define it and get something going in a good quality manner and a quality job. Thanks for spending a little bit of time with us this morning. If you need some help in this area, please reach out to us. You can give us a phone call at 888-372-9371. Send us an email at service@frazerbilt.com. Don't forget to like us on Facebook.